Hello guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. Well guys, today as you saw a thumbnail, we are going to talk about a sales department. Well guys, in this video I will give you detailed information about each and everything of sales department. Okay, like I will give you information what age requirement is there, okay, how much qualification is required, how much experience is required, okay, and if you do not have a experience, okay, so I will tell you how actually you can gain an experience in a sales department and you can apply on a cruise ship. And after that we will be talking about a salary, how much is the salary. Then after that we'll be talking about a promotion and the increments. Yes guys, I will tell you hierarchy as well, what are the positions are there in the sales department, okay. After that I'll be telling you what are the working hours, and then I will tell you how you can apply for a job, okay. So stay tuned with this video. The very first thing is age requirement. Well guys, age requirement will vary from company to company, okay, and cruise line to cruise line. Well, but the minimum and the basic age requirement is 21 to 40. Yes guys, you can apply till 40 because I had the words with my friends who are actually working in the sales department, and they said till 40 it is acceptable, okay. When there are opportunities, you can be accepted as a sales executive even though if you are till 40, okay. But if you are more than 40, it can be difficult, very difficult, but still it depends on the physical appearance, okay, and it depends how smart you are and what experience you have, that also matters. Second point, qualification. Well guys, to work as a sales associate, sales executive, retailer, whatever in the cruise ship, you need to have at least of 10th pass. Yes, you need to have at least of high school, and if you have completed any diploma or any degree in the similar sector, okay, so it will be very beneficial, so it will help you to get the job very soon. Third thing, how much experience is required if you want to work in a sales department. Well guys, minimum is 1 to 2 years. Yes, you need to have at least 1 to 2 years of experience in order to work in a sales department of a cruise ship, okay. Well, if you do not have an experience and if you still want to work in a sales department of a cruise ship, then I would highly recommend you to please gain some experience from the companies or from the now the easiest option we have is you can go actually a many big malls, and all the companies like a branded companies, Fast Track, Fossil, Titan, they all have their showrooms out there in the malls. And even though their shoes shops are there, and guys jewelry shops are there in the mall, so you can actually get the job out there which are available in India, okay. And in the case of jewelry, we see so many of jewelers out there, so you can actually gain experience out there as well, okay. Fifth point, salary. Well guys, salary is going to vary cruise line to cruise line because all the cruise line they have a different pay structures, okay. But the basic salary is going to be between $1,100 to $1,500, okay. Sixth point, future benefits like promotions and increment. Well guys, in the sales department you have a very good scope, you can actually grow up because in every contract you guys have increment, $50 to $100 of increments you have, and if you get a promotion then you have an increment of $100 to $300, okay. In most of the cruise line, if you have completed your 2 contracts successfully and your performance was well, so in after 2 contracts you will be promoted as a senior sales executive, where your payment would be from $1,500 to $1,800, okay. This is how it goes. But well guys, you don't have to worry about a salary out there because in the sales department you guys get a commission as well. Whatever product you sell, you get a commission, you have incentives, and you get a tips as well. So it is going to be like you are going to earn around $2,000 per month if you do a hard work, okay. If you do a good job, you can actually can be promoted as a senior sales executive. After a sales executive, there is a position of senior sales executive, then assistant supervisor, assistant manager, and then there are 2 managers on the cruise line always, shop manager and a jewelry manager, okay. So you can approach all these positions as well. And just to let you know, sales departments is the only department who take care of the cruise shop also, okay. 7th point, working hours. How long you will be working? Well guys, your working hour is going to vary on a sea day and the port day. Well, it vary for each and every department, okay. When there is a sea day, each and every department actually works 1 to 2 hours extra on a regular basis. Like suppose on a port days you would be working like 8 to 10 hours. It can be, mostly it is 8 to 9 hours, can be up to 10 hours once in a while, okay. And in the sea days you work 10 to 11 hours, okay. Now how to apply for a sales executive, sales associate, retailer, whatever the position is, how to apply on a cruise ship. Well guys, there is a one fact, okay. You take any cruise line, all the cruise line that does not run this particular department by itself. They have given this department on rent, on revenue share or lease, whatever you want to say, okay, to other companies. Yes guys, there are some other companies who actually run their business on the cruise ship, and cruise ship itself makes a revenue from those companies, okay, without spending any effort, okay. So guys, I will tell you all the names of these companies. I have found a top 5 companies which are running their business on the cruise lines, okay, and you can actually go and apply out there. So first company is Dufferin Cruise Services. Well guys, this is the one of the biggest company who is serving on cruise lines, okay. You can actually go and apply out there. There is an agency who is recruiting for this Dufferin, which is Amaze Maritime, okay. I will leave you with the link in the email out there in the description. Second is Harding Brothers. Yes guys, this is also a big company who is serving on the cruise line, and in order to apply for this company, yes, Amaze Maritime is the only agency who is recruiting for Dufferin and Harding Brothers, okay. Now the third is Starboard Cruise Services. Yes, this is also a big company, and in order to apply in this company, you have to go to the agency Airborne, okay. Airborne is recruiting agency for this particular company. Fourth is FA Jewelers. Well guys, this is also a very good company, and if you want to apply in this company, but basically I would like to tell you this company, as the name is FA Jewelers, so this company is specialized in the jewelry, okay. And for this company there is an agency Indus Cruising and Shipping. This agency is also very good, I have come to know, and this is replacing and giving recruitments to people. This is a good company, okay. And the fifth is Software Fury. Guys, in order to apply in this company, you have to go to the company website itself. I will leave you with the link in the description below, and this company also shares jobs on the LinkedIn as well, okay. So I will give you a company LinkedIn profile as well, so you can go and you can find out your job, okay. If you do not have a LinkedIn account, please make it. Is really helpful getting a job, especially foreign jobs, okay. So guys, if you like my efforts, then please make sure you hit the like button to the video. Please like this video, okay. And if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please make sure you do subscribe and press the bell icon and do all the notification on, so whenever I will upload a new informative video, you will get a notification, okay. Please do share this video with your friends who are looking for a job in a sales department, who would like to have a similar information, okay. Please tell me know how was the video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.